What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go see a C8 Corvette that a buddy of mine just picked up. We'll go give it a look and see if we can't run them out in Mexico. All right, catch y'all there. All right, we're making our way over there right now, y'all. I guess in the meantime, I kind of wanted to talk about what I was planning on doing with the car, or what you guys think I should do to the car. I've driven the car now NA for about, what, 8 months now? 9 months? And I feel like I want to turn it up a little bit, just to be a little bit more spicy, if you get what I mean. Now, I will hold off on like doing anything until I've, gone to a track day in its current stock configuration. But after that, I'm looking at throwing like an entire parts list at it. Not necessarily to turn it into like some sort of dig car or, straight line shooter, like none of that. The biggest thing I just want to do is just crank up the horsepower a little bit while still maintaining the streetability of the car. And I've been looking a lot into like a centrifugal blower, like whether it be like an ESS kit or supercharger, or not a supercharger, but a Pro Charger, or like a Vortec. I feel like that would be a really good setup for this car as is, if I still wanted to, street it around, but also do like light duty road course racing. And it would be really good out in Mexico for, roll racing, obviously. So I feel like a Sentry blower would really complement the motor in this car quite a bit. So I don't know, do you guys think I'm a little bit ridiculous for wanting to do something like that, or would you guys be on board with it? And if so, I mean, I could make some pretty cool videos of the install and everything, and then getting it tuned. I feel like it'd be a pretty good journey, at least some content for the channel. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I Sentry blower it? Should I do like a root style blower, a positive displacement blower? Should I leave it NA? Should I twin turbo? I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comments below, and we'll see what we can do. We'll make the content pretty entertaining. Another thing I wanted to talk about was kind of a big surprise for you guys. I mean, I kind of alluded to it earlier, but I did schedule a track day for next year around February. The idea is to go down to Florida International Raceway and Motorsports, I believe is what it's called. So we do have at least one track day set up for that. Stock configuration, the Pilot Sport 4S tires. The one thing I'll probably change is doing like a track alignment whenever I arrive there. I don't have a truck and trailer, so I have to take the car there. And it's about a 4.5 hour drive. I don't want to be doing that with a track alignment. We'll see about, swapping to a different alignment, running the track, I've never done it before, to be quite honest with you. So it's going to be interesting to see, maybe what I can learn or what I already kind of have down in terms of like a road course. So I don't know, we'll see. So that's going to be a big update for next year. I want to get out to tracks a little bit more and just play around. I mean, there's only so much you can do on a street out in Mexico, and I think a car like this is probably best experienced on track. At least that's what people are telling me. So we'll get that going, and I think it'll make for some pretty good content. All right, y'all, we're almost there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. Next time I pop up, I think we should be in front of the C8. So I'll see you guys there. This thing is nuts. Got it for such a good deal too. And the Stingrays, they come with like Brembo style brakes too, not like
only the Z51.
Only the Z51.
Yeah.
I mean, they look better than like those like stock brake calipers where you can like see the pads right there, and it's a one piston.
It even has secondary calipers. Look at that.
Is that for the parking brake, or?
I don't know.
I'm sure you've been doing like a lot of research on this car and everything.
Yeah.
Still got a temp tag yesterday.
Yeah.
Have you been getting on it at all?
Oh yeah. I'm surprised I didn't get pulled over.
Gosh. You'll have to pop the engine hood. Jeez, man. Is that a custom painted intake cover?
Yep.
He did a good job on it. It matches really well.
Yeah.
And the inside looks like a freaking spaceship in there.
You can open it if you want.
How do you open it? Just underneath?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
It's weird. You have to press the button and pull at the same time because it's literally just cycles to lock. So
Okay. God, the blue interior and everything. Man, it smells really good. Only has what? How many miles on it again?
7,000.
7,000. Yeah, it's still like a brand new car.
Yeah.
Well, you want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah, my car is dirty as sin right now. All right, let's get going. And she sits low too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so like, it's super driver focused, driver oriented.
Oh yeah, it's like.
I just feel like I'm in a little like passenger seat in one of those little side cars for a motorcycle.
Yeah, exactly.
Just an afterthought. It sucks for doing all this construction out here where you're living, got all this dirt you're kicking up to.
Yeah.
And you're gonna drive this to work every day?
Oh yeah. It gets way better gas mileage than my truck did.
See what the old 350 can do against this bad boy.
Yeah.
Make you have to regret spending 60K on this when you could have also gotten a 350.
We'll see.
You know, it'd be really fun one day if it was me, you, Tommy, and Zach, if we all got together
Yeah.
and just like ran it out on the highway somewhere. I feel like that makes for some good fun.
Oh yeah. I'm down.
I'll have to talk to both of them about it. I know they're really busy, but
I kind of want to borrow Tommy's lift and.
I'm sure he'd let you. He told me like if I ever needed anything, I could just always come by and work on something. I usually like doing everything by myself though, like in my own comfort of my own garage, not to think about anything, but I feel like going there and hanging out with them and work on your car, yeah, it could be pretty fun.
Especially with his kegs.
Oh yeah, especially with it. Man put a freaking, what, 2 kegs in an old refrigerator.
Yeah. Just jury rigged it and it worked perfectly.
This thing sounds really good. I've never had an engine behind me
Yeah.
where you can just hear it the entire time.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, even though you can hear it, it's still quiet, so it doesn't get like super drony or annoying.
Yeah.
Does it have like an active exhaust on it as well, where you can open them up?
It sure does. I need to dig into the settings and.
Yeah, spend some time in here.
Yeah.
So I did like the first like 3 nights. Whenever I got my car, I was just practically sleeping in the garage with the damn thing.
Yeah.
I haul ass on this on-ramp anytime I'm heading out to Pensacola.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just let it scream. How do you feel now that you got it? Like, do you feel like you can't believe it at all, or?
I would say I'm happy with the purchase.
Yeah. I know, like the first like couple months I had my car, I couldn't walk out and believe that I still had it and it was mine. Especially coming from like shitbox Miatas and like regular, you know, like street cars.
Yeah.
I know it sucks. You got traffic in front of you.
Not just that.
Oh, and that cop, yeah, state trooper up there. Holy shit!
What a terrible.
I've never seen them on this interstate. Maybe not so much whenever I get like right when I get on it.
Yeah.
Holy shit!
All the worst timing.
That is the worst absolute timing right there.
It even has this Z mode.
Uh-huh.
That pretty much cuts your throttle response time down to nothing.
Oh, so it's instant. It's almost like by wire at that point.
I've already had like 7 random people just gush over the car. Just
Yeah.
like,
you have anybody line up with you and, you know, start downshifting at you?
Yeah.
Try to line up?
There's 3 of them on the way home yesterday.
Who were they? A bunch of, like, Beamers or?
There was one BMW, one just GT Mustang, and a Scat Pack.
Did you dust everybody?
Yeah.
Doesn't surprise me. How does it feel like being able to run it with people again, finally? Like when you're out on the road and people know what they're looking at and they line up with you, like how does it feel to be able to do that again?
It's amazing.
Yeah, it feels so fun. I always love running people out on the street randomly.
Yep.
I'll tell you what's more annoying, wearing this stupid ass GoPro on my head. I feel like an idiot. Hopefully, now it should be a lot better. We're gonna get into it.
As long as there's no cops on this.
Yeah, as long as there's no cops, hopefully they didn't turn around too. Man,
What's behind us?
Are you kidding me? Wait. Oh, it's a Challenger.
Just a regular Challenger.
Okay, I thought it was another state trooper. I was about to lose my shit. I don't think he wants to play.
He's probably waiting to get ahead of that.
Yeah. He's done like everything exterior to it. Kind of riced it out, not gonna lie. She gave me the no-go. Yeah. Let's see if I got GoPro here. All right, y'all, we're gonna head out to Mexico real quick. See what the old C8 Stingray can do. What in the fuck kind of wheel and tire setup does that Camaro have? My goodness.
Two hours later.
Oh, come on, man. Got the state troopers out. We got local PD. Another one. Another one. That's insane. can say he got the jump on me one time. That's only because I left in the wrong gear. But all other times, I think I just rang him out through each gear.